How to fill out Schedule C on FreeTaxUSA. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. You will need to start by Schedule C. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser and move into the website FreeTaxUSA.com. Once you're in the official site, tap on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Now you will need to log into your account, enter a username and the password of your account, and then click on Sign In Now. Once you have been logged in, the next thing you want to do is you need to go to Income and then move into Self-Employment. After that, move into Business Income and then you'll see the option of Schedule C. Enter your business name, type, and your employer ID if you have one. If it's just you, you can leave the EIN blank. Once done, you will need to enter the income. Add your gross receipt or sales, that's all the money your business earned. If you received forms like 1099 NEC or 1099K, include those amounts here too. Once done, the next thing you want to do is enter business expenses to reduce taxable income. Well, the common expenses includes mileage or car expenses, supplies or equipment, phone and internet, and many more. Once done, the FreeTaxUSA will guide you through categories step by step. After that, it will calculate net profit. Once income and expenses are entered, FreeTaxUSA will automatically calculate your net profit, which flows to your Form 1040. Now finally, review your entries carefully. Make sure totals match your records and receipts. When everything looks correct, continue to file a return. And that's it. Filing out Schedule C on FreeTaxUSA is straightforward. Just enter income, add expenses, review and submit, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.